Make una sit down well, because dis na the story of Tobi, the only guy wey wear winter boots for Lagos sun, carry Parrot go airport and shout "Canada baby" with fake visa wey dey smell like pomo. Na today you go laugh tire. So I ask again, wetin carry am go there? Once upon a Lagos afternoon, for one corner of Mushin wey agbero and pepper seller dey share boundary, Tobi dey lie down for him mama pepper shop dey press him phone like say e get shares for MTN. Breeze blow small, fly waka pass, but na one Facebook post from one of him secondary school padi wey scatter him brain. Emeka don reach Canada. The post read: Emeka wey Tobi senior for 2 years, wey no sabi mathematics, don finally reach obodo oyibo. Tobi hiss, stand up, adjust him faded singlet. Mama, I swear, I no fit die for dis Lagos heat. Na abroad or nothing. Tobi mama look am like say e don chop madness. Tobi, go fetch water before NEPA bring light. Your abroad na inside dream. But Tobi no give up. Him post him own picture for Facebook. Green background, white shirt, tie wey tight am pass him neck, with the caption "Canada loading, visa don drop, code dey wait for me." Sule dey carry last, him padi shout for him WhatsApp, "Guy, you don hammer. I dey come your side, make we celebrate." Celebrate dey, but na garri and groundnut dem drink. Even the groundnut get more future than Tobi visa plans. Tobi plan enter one cyber cafe for Ojuelegba, meet one guy wey him nickname na "Visa don land." Dat one charge am 80,000 naira for fake visa documents. As dem dey process the nonsense, one parrot for cage begin shout, "Dis boy dey lie! Dis boy dey lie!" Tobi bone the parrot. He bone the parrot. Few days later, Alhaji Dogo, one suspicious man with golden teeth and big belle, enter their compound. Na him dey run Better Life Foundation for youths. Rumor talk say na yahoo sponsor wey dey hide under NGO. Alhaji Dogo hear say Tobi wan travel, call am, "Young man, I like your boldness. I go sponsor you go abroad, but you go help me carry small package. E no heavy, just briefcase." Tobi wey never see 2 million naira before nod like agama lizard. "Anything, sir. I be your loyal boy."
Oh my God.
The D-Day reach. Tobi wear 3 jackets, muffler and winter boots for Muritala Mohammed Airport. Whether be like fire. The weather hot, but e dey sweat with smile. Him shout, "Canada, here I come." Security check catch the briefcase. Inside dey dry bush meat, one live parrot, and photocopies of fake naira notes. Parrot shout again, "E don carry am! E don carry am!" Tobi faint. He wake up for customs detention room. Dem deport am after 48 hours. No court case, just shame. Back for Mushin, Mama Tobi organize prayer revival. Pastor Bulletproof from mountain of sacred pepper come pray. Any spirits of fake abroad wey wan swallow our children, holy pepper fire. Shade, Tobi babe don jump am join one copper wey dey work for NGO. E drop Tobi, e go dey date dat copper wey dey work for the NGO. Tobi dey shame. Him phone dey ring like say na creditor dey pursue am. But na so one day, oyibo woman from CNN enter Mushin for documentary. She dey record video on resilient Nigerian youths. Tobi dey sell pepper with mama as e just turn to adjust im camera display. Camera catch am shouting, "Aunty, buy now! Na 3 for 100 naira. Pepper wey fit wake dead body." The video go viral. CNN tag am "Pepper Prince of Africa." Dem license the video. Tobi blow overnight. E open YouTube channel, Pepper Talk with Tobi. Followers grow like weed for rainy season. Dem invite am go Big Brother Pepper edition. Sule dey carry last shout, "No be dis Tobi wey I borrow boxers in 2018?" Alhaji Dogo reappear with him boys. "Tobi, na me make you. I need my court." Parrot still dey alive, now dey speak French. "Jesus Parrot, give me royalty." Na so Tobi bribe dem with influencer contracts. The Parrot get blue tick for Twitter. Dem even shoot Netflix special, Pepper, Parrot and Passports, the real Tobi story. My people, Tobi na im dey address the Mushin youth. He say, "My people, if you wan lie, no lie pass your pocket. If your destiny no come with visa, no force am. Na hustle wey sure go carry you go far. No be everybody go abroad. Some of us go pepper dem from yard." The crowd shout, "Na true talk. Pepper no dey lie. Pepper dem from yard." The Parrot shout, na me talk am first. The moral lesson of this video be say no use winter boots for airport when nepa never give house for light for house. Number 2, if parrot dey warn you, listen. No be all animals na mumu. Number 3, visa no dey for green background picture. Finally, lie no get fuel, e go stop when the engine knock. Pepper fit no take you abroad, but e fit take you go global. Thank you for watching this story. God bless you. Please like and subscribe.